Da 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 da. My hood will not go on. I have my little bun in my head. Oh man. Da 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 da. Can you guys see the little lightning bulb? Oh man.
Aquí de las feas, las bonitas aquí, prohibido pasar.
Guys, ¿cómo están? Feos, feas, fodongos y fodongas, and everybody in between. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. ¿Cómo están? Hope everybody's doing a fantabulous day wherever you are. Si no, pues ya saben que no es mi culpa. Anyways, you guys, today I have, which is a makeup tutorial video, eyeshadow tutorial, no sé cómo fregados llamarlo. But anyways, you guys, ahora me inspiré porque ahora me puse mi mameluquito. It is raining outside today. Está frío. So, you know, I had to get my $20 worth something, right? Anyways, the inspiration for this makeup obviously is my Harry Potter onesie. Soy una nerd cuando sale algo de Harry Potter. Soy la primera a correr. Me gusta mucho Harry Potter. Me gustan todas las películas. He leído un poco de los libros, pero soy más fanática de la película. De las películas de Harry Potter. Si no, I'm sorry, my chair is squeaking. But anyways, you guys, soy una fanática de Harry Potter. Por si no lo saben, sí, ya sé. De atrás de todo ese maquillaje hay una nerd atrás. Siempre he sido una nerd. Siempre seré una nerd. Si no les gusta, pues no me importa. Anyways, you guys, si quieren saber cómo hice este maquillaje, es muy fácil, muy sencillo. Y me salió bonito. Yo pensé que me iba a salir horrible. Pero no. So yeah, you guys, si quieren saber cómo hice este video, make sure to stay tuned. I don't know what else to say. But anyways, let's get on with this tutorial. Da, 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 da. Music sound effects. Well, for starters, ya hice mi cara. I did everything. Well, I did somewhat of my face. I did foundation, concealer, brows, a little bit of contour, and that's about it. But for the eyes, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Just because I think that the colors in here are a little bit more, you know, Hogwarts. I'm trying to go with our Hogwarts thing. If you know. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take, which is a fluffy brush, que parece una escoba, and I'm gonna go ahead and take, which is this color right here. It kind of looks a little bit more maroon. That one is called, what do you call? Hilster. I think that's what you call it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this into my crease ever so slightly. And like I said, I'm feeling very inspirational. I feel like I want to turn Harry Potter. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this into my lid, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke this out, because what I really want to focus on is on the two colors from Hogwarts, which is, I'm going to be using this one, and then obviously for the yellow I'm going to be using this one, which is called, what do you call, I guess you can call this creamsicle. Yeah, it's called creamsicle. What I don't like in this palette, I wish that the names would be attached to the shade. Like creamsicle is right here, and then the palette's like on the other side. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just put this on there, and I'm gonna put this color on here. I don't know. That I feel like I want to darken up the little I feel like I want to darken up the outer corner, just because I feel like it's, I don't know, it's looking a little bit more kind of like magenta on my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take, which is like this little pencil brush. I'm gonna use the same brush to blend it out, and I might go with this one right here. I don't know what to call. I'm not gonna be looking all over for the freaking name. Sorry. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of that. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this a little bit into the outer corner. I'm just gonna put this on to the outer corner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same brush that I used the maroon color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. I'm just packing this on really quickie. I'm gonna go ahead and just start blending this outward, just making sure it doesn't look harsh. What we want is just to make sure everything looks well blended, nothing harsh, because you don't want, you know, like a line, you know, just the eyebrow, the flesh, and then the eyeshadow. That's not cute. You make sure you just want to blend. You really want a fluffy brush. Yes, I know I haven't cleaned my brushes in a while. Leave me alone. So I'm just going to go ahead and just blend this. You can see Boo Boo right there. Just blend this all over. It should be looking like this. It's looking okay. I don't know. It doesn't look like Harry Potterish, but oh well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the crease with my AOA Studio brush. And this is in the number, what are you number by? Number 16. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my Wet n Wild concealer. And I'm just going to cut the crease because I might want to add, which is this yellow right here. But I might add a little sparkle first. I might add like a gold. I don't know. I'll see what I can come up with. Let me just cut the crease. Taking that same palette, though that's the only palette I'm going to be using, I'm going to go ahead and take, which is a mixture of these two again. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and kind of like diffuse this part right here. Just want to diffuse this. This is looking a little bit more pink than red. Anywho, we're still going with this theme. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I want to take, which is that yellow. I don't know how this look is going to go, but I'm going to take this yellow and put it into my eyelid where I put the concealer. Just get a brush. I'm just going to grab, which is, oh, that's an angle brush. Hold on. The same blending brush. You don't really need a lot of brushes doing this look, you guys. You just need two. One that especially when you have like a little color changing wheel like I do, you just need two. You just need to get yourself a good blending brush and a good packing brush and a good concealer brush. So yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend out the edges here, making sure it looks, it's looking like Hogwarts. I'm a very big Harry Potter fan. Alright, so I feel like I want to add like a little pizzazz, a little glitter, a little something, because y'all, this is all matte. Alright, I want to add like sometimes like some type of little sparkles. So I got my Revolution palette. This is one of the Reloaded. This is in the color, this is in the palette Velvet Rose. And I want to take, which is this gold right here. I was trying to see if I had a different color, but I guess not. And I'm just using my finger, and I'm just like ever so slightly, like just, you know, just dabbing it on. You guys see how that kind of makes a little difference? I just wanted something like a little glisten, like a little bit of glitter. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this, and you know, I didn't spray, you know, I didn't put nothing on top on the eyeshadow to, you know, just to adhese it, but I just want like a little sparkle in the eyelid. I wish I had like an eyelid topper or something like that, but this will work fine, which you guys can see it's giving it a little sparkle, which I do like. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and that's basically the eyes right there. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, put mascara, some lashes, and yeah, I'll be right back with the finished look. Here is the finished look. A little close up on the eyes, everything. For my inner corner, I forgot to tell you guys, but I had a little sparkle, a little inner corner highlight I used, which is this one right here, which is called, here I go again looking, Beam. I used Beam on the inner corner just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. But yeah, you guys, I hope you like this little Harry Potter inspired makeup tutorial. I know it wasn't really much a tutorial, but anyways, like I said, I hope you guys really like it. I don't know, I feel like I want to do like inspirational like cartoon makeup or anything like that, or kind of like, you know, I'm just wearing my onesie. You know, I got inspiration of the colors because I think the colors are really cute, are really pretty. You know, this like mustard yellow with this kind of like gold maroon gold and maroon look really nice together. But yeah, guys, without being said, I hope you guys like this tutorial, makeup video, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. Oh, and also you guys, I'm already having my I'm going to be having my schedule already for videos. I will be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Así para que no se me complica todo, because of course, you know, sometimes I do have time to make videos, others not. But I'd rather just have a schedule of when I should post, or when I can post videos. So yeah, so make sure you guys expect another video on Friday. So, and also you guys, I'm still having my giveaway. I know I haven't done the video of what I'm going to give away yet, but once we reach close to 50, then that's when we'll go ahead and start that. But please, téngame paciencia, just be patient with me. So yeah, anyway, with that being said, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Y también pachole la campanita, that way you'll never miss another video like this one. And yeah, guys, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!